Good day guys, you're welcome to Browsingtechzone YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you one of the major way to make $3 online. So you don't have to invest on this method, you don't have any skills. All you need to know to get started and start making money with this method will be revealed to you right in this guide. So recently the performance of naira has been watched so far, and a lot of Nigerians have developed interest in making income in dollars, so they want to add additional incomes to their normal naira. And in this video I'm going to be showing you a major way to earn $3 online. You don't even have to invest, you don't even have to have any skill because before you can be able to use this video. This is the reason why I'm revealing this method in this video, because I consider it to be the easiest way to get started with making $3 online. So but before I proceed with this video, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that right now. Subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever we release a new video guide, you will get notified that we release a new video. Thank you. You're welcome back. So when I'm talking about an active method to make $3 online easily, so I'll be revealing a survey opportunity right in this video. So taking surveys, like when you become a surveyor online, when I said you want to become a surveyor, I'm not talking about land survey or any other survey. So I'm talking about exchanging your opinions for cash online. So there are a lot of online platforms that are ready to pay you for your opinion, and that's the main method I'm going to be revealing for you in this guide. It is very easy, and you don't even need to have any knowledge before you can be able to tap into this opportunity and make $3 online. You don't have to invest nor do anything. So this platform, if you've been following Browsingtechzone for a considerable period of time right now, you would agree with me that I usually release series of surveys platform, and this platform will pay you in dollars just to answer simple questions, complete simple task, and drop your opinion on a particular product or services. So if you want to get started to start taking survey, I know you might be new to survey right now, so that's the reason why I'm going to be starting from the beginning. So if you want to get started with the survey, and we've released a detailed guide on how to complete your demographic question and fill your survey profile, which is the very important part of participating in any online surveys. So if you want to join any online surveys, so your primary assignment right here is to look for survey platforms. I will release some in this video, then in case you come across any other one, the guide we're going to be releasing in this video, it's enough for you to tackle any service platform and make money from it. So the number one primary assignment that you are having right now is to make sure you verify a particular platform that you are seeing. Maybe you're not seeing it on browsingtechzone.com, you see it in another platform, and you want to tap into the opportunity. Make sure it's a very legit platform, and the one that will pays you after answering surveys. And it is because there are a lot of survey scams outside that will just scam you of your opinion. You will drop your opinion and work to get paid, but at the end of the day you won't get paid. So you have to avoid that and stick with online service platform that are legit. So right in this video, as you can see on my screen right here, you can see demographic surveys questions and answer for beginners. So if you're getting started with surveys, so this is all you need to get started. This guide right here, I've compiled it and put it in one place so that you will be able to read it and understand how to get started with the survey. So the reason why you need to read this guide is because whenever you want to join a survey platform and get paid for participating in surveys, you have to fill what we call demographic survey and set your profile. So in this demographic and profile setting, that is where your qualification for future survey lies. So these companies, they usually look for specific uh, type of people. They look for some kinds of people. So you have to set your profile to some standards so as to be able to qualify for more survey in future. So I hope you understand what I'm talking about. So immediately you have interest in getting started with survey and start making money with the system, All you have to do is to go to browsingtechzone.com. On getting to browsingtechzone.com, locate this search icon, click on it, and type demographics survey. So immediately you type demographics here, you're going to see suggestion, and this guide will appear. All you have to do is to click on this guide and read it carefully. Immediately you read the guide carefully, then you're going to understand fully how survey platform works, how you can answer survey and get paid for it. So after doing that, that means you are set to start looking for a paid survey platform that you will join and get paid in return. So that leads us to another phase of this video. So as I've said, right now I've shown you the major requirement for you to get started with making money with online surveys. So I can categorically say a lot of people have been making money with service platforms that we've released in the past, and they are still making money with those platforms. So I don't want you to miss that. So right now I've shown you the basic needs for you to get started with making money online with surveys. So right now I'm going to be showing you some platforms that we've released in the past, and the platform that can pay you for making for answering surveys online. So this platform are still paying. All you have to do is to understand better and make sure you are answering all this survey as instructed. So number one of the platform that I'm going to show you right here, I think I released a survey platform called what's the platform called? We have Eureka. These are samples. If you follow us on our Telegram channel, you will get to know some latest platforms. So we'll be able to drop them for you as they dropped immediately. So these are samples. Can you see this is my daily cash? This one doesn't even require surveys. All you have to do is to download the app. It's not necessarily you take survey there. You can just log in on the daily basis. That's why they call it my daily cash. Then you start claiming a daily bonus, and you accumulate it and withdraw anytime you have minimum of $10. You can read it up and understand how it works. This is another one, opinion app. It pays, and a lot of people have cashed out from this application and still cashing out from the platform. So this is another opportunity here. It continues like that. We've released a lot in the past. So this is Eureka Surface. As you can see the title, you have the opportunity to make between $10 to $100 every week. That's when it is still active. Though you can still make money on the platform right now, but you have to be expert in survey before you can make money on the platform. So these are the things you will have to take notes on surveys. So if you want to be taking surveys, make sure you are as a Nigerian, because all these platforms, they are not fully available for Nigerians. So you have to be tapping into this opportunity as soon as they are made available for you. I think you understand what I'm talking about. So that's why you need to stay tuned with us. Subscribe to this channel, subscribe to our Telegram channel. You can follow us on WhatsApp so that you will get notified immediately we release any guide. So when we release this service afresh, they usually pay higher, and it will be easier for you to make money as compared to when they have paid for some considerable period of time. So as a Nigerian, they will keep, like, if you're not eligible as Nigerian but you have access to the platform, fare one way or the other. So as times goes on, your capability on the platforms will drop. No matter how perfect you are, your earnings won't be much as compared to how it is when you get started with the platform. I hope you understand what I'm talking about right now. So these are the things you're supposed to take note when you start taking surveys. So another thing you should take note while taking survey is how you answer open-end surveys. Open-end surveys, yes, there are some questions we call open-ended. So when you are taking surveys, you are always being provided with options. They will ask you question, you will choose within the options. But sometimes it will be open in such a way that they will ask you question and you have to drop your opinion in written. So when you are answering this type of questions, you should be very careful, because any inaccuracy noticed on your activities, it will drop the ratings of your account, and the amount you can be able to make on a daily basis will keep getting low. So I think I've been able to pick some point for you right now. So right now, get yourself ready for surveys. Then check our platforms for, I've shown you some examples right now. You can check for SAPs, Eruka surveys, Apinio, Cashew surveys, and etc. that we've released in the past. But if you stay tuned with us, you subscribe to this channel and other channels that we are having. So immediately we release fresh one, you will be able to tap into it immediately and make money easily without any stress. So that is that about that. So yeah, I want to use this moment to answer some question, because as a Nigerian, a lot of these platform, they requires VPN before you can be able to access them. So this platform need VPNs because they might not be available in your region as at that moment of releasing it. So if they are not available in your region, you have to look for a very strong VPN so that your account will be safe and your account rating will be very high. So what I want to say in this point is that a lot of people have been asking me to recommend VPN. We do that in the past. We do recommend VPNs for people. If I drop a survey platform like this, and I will drop a certain VPN that works so that you guys will be able to use it. But this is what I noticed that make me stop. So it's causing harm to those platforms. It's causing harm to you on the platform, because immediately these people are noticing that you're accessing the platform with proxy. So this the use of maybe a common VPN is what mostly trigger the notification. Like, let's say I recommend Yoga VPN for everyone right now. So Usai from Nigeria use Yoga VPN, Usabi use Yoga VPN. Everybody keeps using Yoga VPN. This user I want to recommend for another user, I recommend Yoga. Another user I recommend another Yoga for another user. So it will keep spreading like that, and it will now turn to spam on that parent website, which will prompt them to notice some irregularities, and they will block such VPN. It won't work again. So that's the reason I stop recommending VPN, so that you guys will go out yourself and look for the best VPN. Just make sure you are using strong VPN. Any strong VPN that you know, yes, this VPN is very strong, is okay for you, because when you do this, you will be using a very unique VPN, and before they notice it, you should have at least cast out some considerable amount of money on the platform. So that is the reason why I won't be able to be recommending VPN every time for you guys. Or else it is a one-time platform like that we should just, you understand what I'm talking about. So if you have been following Browsingtechzone before, you understand what I meant by one-time platform. So that is that about that. I think I've been able to show you a major way of making dollar in Nigeria. So even without skill, without investment or anything, you will be able to earn $3 for yourself, and make yourself comfortable on a daily basis. So that is that about that. If you're having any question or anything is not clear to you in this video, kindly drop it in the comment section of this video, and I'll be glad to provide the appropriate response for you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and do have a wonderful day.